All right, my front loader is full of black mold. Let me show you. Let's look in here. Look, it's full of water right there. I don't know if you can see. It's standing water. And then if you pull this out, you can see all of that black mold in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to attempt to clean it today. I've been looking at YouTube videos to see how to clean it, and they say apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to go ahead and use Clorox Clean Up, and we'll see how it goes. So I will report back, and I'll take some more video during the cleaning process and let you know. I was going to take all of this rubber out, but I can't find any videos on how to put it back in. This is an LG, I don't know, True Steam Direct Drive. I can't find any video on how to put it back, so I'm not going to do that. I'll report back. It just barely started, and that's the crap I've gotten out. Like 2 minutes in. Blah. And just look at that glob of crap I got out. Blah. Some of the mold is just so caked on that I have to leave a paper towel there, and I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes and come back and see how it's doing. But it's going good overall. I've gotten a lot of the crap out of here. You can look in here, and where I got that big old glob of hair and crap, it's good. You can see that there's no more black mold in here. After about 20 minutes, it's much better than it was. It's not perfect, but it's much better. And now they say to just leave your door open, dry it out every time after you use it. And I'm going to work on that, and I shouldn't have any more problems with mold. And it's all done. It's not great. It still has a little bit of that mold right there, but I'm not going to worry about it because it's just going to get worse again. I'm just going to run a load of hot bleach through it with no water, with no clothes. So I am all done, and that took me about a half hour. So, and that includes my 20 minutes of cleaning and maybe 40 minutes, my 20 minutes of leaving that paper towel there with that. So that's it.